How did these furry creatures become our companions and friends? How did they go from being wild hunters to being pampered pets? And how did they spread across different continents and regions? Hello and welcome to Curiosity, where we explore fascinating topics from history, science, culture and more. Today we are going to talk about one of the most popular and beloved animals in the world, the cat. These are some of the questions that scientists and historians have been trying to answer for a long time, and they have uncovered some surprising facts and stories along the way. One of the first things we need to know is, where did cats come from? Well, according to genetic studies, all domestic cats are descended from a subspecies of the African wildcat, called Felis sylvestris libica. This wildcat lives in North Africa and the Near East, and it looks very similar to our modern house cats, except for its larger size and striped coat. But when and how did humans start to interact with these wildcats? Well, some evidence suggests that it happened around 10,000 years ago, when humans began to settle down and practice agriculture in the Fertile Crescent, a region that includes parts of modern-day Iraq, Syria, Turkey, and Egypt. As humans stored grains and crops, they attracted rodents, which in turn attracted wildcats. The wildcats soon realized that living near humans was beneficial for them, as they had a steady supply of food and shelter. And humans also benefited from having wildcats around, as they helped them control pests and diseases. This mutualistic relationship gradually led to the domestication of the cat. Humans started to select and breed wildcats that were more friendly, docile, and adaptable to human environments. Wildcats also started to show signs of social bonding with humans, such as purring, rubbing, and meowing. Over time, cats became more than just useful allies. They became cherished companions and even sacred symbols in some cultures. But how did cats spread across different regions and continents? Well, one of the main factors was human migration and trade. As humans traveled by land or sea, they often brought cats with them, either as pets or as cargo. Cats were especially valued by sailors and merchants, as they helped them keep their ships and goods free of rodents. Some of the places where cats were introduced by humans include Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and America. But not all cats were transported by humans. Some cats also dispersed by themselves, following natural routes or environmental changes. For example, some cats migrated from Asia to Europe through the Bosphorus Strait, a narrow waterway that connects the Black Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. Some cats also adapted to different climates and habitats, such as deserts, mountains, forests, and islands. As a result of this dispersion and adaptation, cats developed a great genetic diversity. There are more than 70 breeds of domestic cats recognized today, each with its own distinctive features and characteristics. Some of these breeds are very ancient and rare, such as the Turkish Angora or the Egyptian Mau. Some of these breeds are very modern and popular, such as the Persian or the Siamese. And some of these breeds are very unique and exotic, such as the Sphynx or the Bengal. As you can see, cats have a long and fascinating history that spans thousands of years and hundreds of generations. They have been our allies, our friends, our symbols, and our inspirations. They have conquered our hearts and our homes with their charm and charisma. They have enriched our lives with their beauty and diversity. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for watching Curiosity. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.